We're excited to introduce the Design Studio for Enterprise Keyboard on zDNA Cloud, enhancing the PC-based keyboard designer tool. This studio will expand to include various Zebra applications like Enterprise Home Screen, Enterprise Browser, and Data Wedge. This video will give you an introduction to the zDNA Cloud Enterprise Keyboard Design Studio. Getting started. Click on the Launch button under Enterprise Keyboard to access the Design Studio homepage. The homepage displays existing designs, both complete and drafts, with basic information. To create a new design, click on the New Design button in the top right corner. A pop-up box will appear. Name the new design if you do not want to use the default name that has been provided. Provide a description of what this design is about. Select the device type that you would be interested in. After providing the basic details, press Save and Continue. Layout selection, where you can select the number of layouts you want to have on that keyboard design. As an example, this layout will be labeled as L1. Select the orientation and the name, as well as the number of rows and columns that you would like to have. To add more layouts, click on the New Layout option at the top left corner, which will open up the following options for you. Add a new layout. Duplicate this layout. Add Scanner tab. You can create a total of 6 layouts per keyboard. For the purpose of this demo, in this example, we've created 3 layouts. Layout 1 has 2 rows and 2 columns. Layout 2 has 4 rows and 4 columns. And a Scanner tab. Press Save and Continue. Customizing the design. This will lead you to the next workflow on the editor page. Here you can further customize the keyboard and the individual layouts. On the editor page at the top left corner under New Layout, we can add more layouts if the max limit of 6 layouts is not met, and also edit and change the sequence of the keyboard as is needed. On the right-hand side, the page is subcategorized into 4 sections: keyboard, size, key, and key styling. Using these individual options, you can customize your keyboard further with respect to height, width, and spacing. In the Key section, we can select a list of individual keys from the drop-down menu or simply enter a content as is needed. A secondary key can also be assigned to a primary key. Key styling can change the font, color, press color, and haptic feedback. Using these 4 subsections, we can create a layout and keyboard design that meets the needs of your business. Once the individual layouts are ready and need no further edits, please save the design and click Mark as Complete. If the design may need further edits, simply save the design. Doing this will mark the design as a draft, and you will be able to edit it in the future as it will be listed on the landing page as a draft design. If no further edits are needed and Mark as Complete is selected, a pop-up will appear with the following information. It will provide you the number of keys where no action has been assigned, so you can go back and review the keyboard to ensure that there are no empty keys. A confirmation that you want to save the design as marked as complete, as this will prevent you from further editing the design. Note, only after a design is marked as complete, you can deploy or export the design. Let's save the design and return to the homepage. We will title this as EKB Builder, Demo 789. Now on the home page, I can see this design and the status listed as draft. Against that, I can see the action as edit. We can duplicate this design but cannot deploy or export it. Only a complete design can be exported or deployed. A completed design can only be viewed. If needed, we could create a duplicate of this completed design and modify it to recreate another keyboard design. We hope you found this brief tutorial on the zDNA Cloud useful. Thank you for your attention.